Is it possible to earn $1.50 just by watching a single YouTube video? What if I tell you that watching 10 videos could earn you over $15? Have this opportunity available worldwide with direct payments straight to your bank account. This app is changing the way people like you and me make money online, with users withdrawing earnings every minute. Let's dive into how you can start earning today. Step 1. Sign up and set up. So to get started, choose a username that suits you. Second, put in your email address. Next, add your first and last names. Then, make sure your password is strong and secure. Simply sign up for this new app today. Once you log in, this is what your dashboard will look like. By the way, this platform is called HeavenGamers.com. For those of you wondering what this is, it's a platform where you earn coins by doing easy stuff like playing games, trying apps, and watching YouTube videos. You can swap these coins for real cash, cryptocurrencies, or various gift cards. Best part? It's open globally. Whether you're in the US, Canada, UK, India, Philippines, Pakistan, Nepal, Bangladesh, or anywhere else, you can earn money with Heaven Gamers. Step 2. Watch YouTube videos. Now, let's move on to Step 2. Starting to earn money by watching YouTube videos. It's simple. Just click on the Earn button, which will direct you to a page where you'll discover various ways to earn through HeavenGamers.com. Today our focus is on making money through YouTube videos. To begin, navigate to the Offer Wall Partners section and choose the Luda offers. Upon selection, a pop-up will appear, detailing the different methods available with Luda. Click on Watch Videos to make money. Here, you'll find a variety of YouTube video categories to watch and earn money from, such as business, gaming, DIY, and food videos. Pick whichever category interests you most. For example, if gaming videos are your thing, simply click on Watch Videos next to that category. You'll be redirected to the official Loot TV website, where you'll need to sign up. Once logged in, your Loot TV will automatically link to your Heaven Gamers account. This means all earnings from watching videos on Loot TV will be credited directly to your Heaven Gamers account. Start watching your favorite gaming videos or any other content available on Loot.tv. These are YouTube videos embedded on the platform, allowing you to earn money while enjoying your preferred YouTube shows. Remember, the more videos you watch on Loot.tv, the more money you can make. Step 3. Earn from ads. Another effective method to earn money through watching YouTube videos is by opting for the AdSend option. Upon selecting this option, a new pop-up window will appear, presenting you with a diverse array of video categories such as music videos, celebrity updates, viral content, gaming highlights, and much more. For example, if you decide to explore viral videos, clicking on it will open a new window where you can access comprehensive information about the platform where these videos are hosted. Simply click on the Start Earning button to proceed to this new website. If necessary, complete the sign-up process, ensuring that your Heaven Gamers account is linked for seamless earnings management. The rationale behind earning money while watching these embedded YouTube videos lies in the presence of advertisements shown during your viewing session. Similar to regular YouTube videos, each advertisement viewed generates revenue for the hosting platform from advertisers. In turn, a portion of this advertising revenue is shared with you as compensation for your time spent watching these videos. This method not only allows you to enjoy a variety of engaging content, but also enables you to earn money passively through the simple act of watching videos online. Step 4. Watch ads. Moving on to Step 4. If you're keen on earning money by watching various advertisements, you can opt for the Time Wall offers. This selection will prompt a new pop-up window to appear. When accessing Time Wall offers for the first time, you'll be prompted to register using your email address and create a password. After successfully logging in, you'll be able to click on ads to watch them. These ads typically last for about 5 seconds, and you'll earn money simply for viewing them. The earnings from these ads will be credited as points in your Time Wall account, which can be later transferred to your Heaven Gamers account for withdrawal. Step 5. Install and use apps. This step introduces another fascinating way to earn money online through Heaven Gamers, which involves participating in featured offers. These offers encompass a variety of opportunities, including social media apps, play-to-earn games, and essential daily use applications that you can install and earn money from. To explore these opportunities, click on View all to browse through all the available app and game offers specific to your country. You'll find options suitable for both mobile devices and PCs. For instance, you can choose to install the social media app If Land and receive compensation for doing so. Simply follow the instructions provided on the offer page to complete the installation and open the app. Once completed, your earnings will be promptly credited to your Heaven Gamers account. Step 6. Bonus tips for earning more. Looking to boost your earnings even further? Here are some valuable tips that can help you maximize your income on HeavenGamers.com. Focus on play-to-earn games. Dive into play-to-earn game apps where you can significantly increase your earnings. By installing and actively playing these games, you have the potential to accumulate a substantial amount of coins. For example, achieving specific levels in certain games can reward you with over 16,000 coins. These opportunities are especially lucrative for new users, so it's recommended to create a new email address when signing up to maximize your benefits. Take advantage of surveys. Complete quick surveys available on HeavenGamers.com to earn additional income. These surveys typically require only 5 to 10 minutes of your time and offer a straightforward way to boost your earnings without much effort. Utilize referral programs. Leverage the power of referrals to earn commissions on every person you introduce to Heaven Gamers. Share your referral link with friends, family, and on social media to earn passive income as they join and start earning on the platform. By combining these strategies, you can significantly increase your earnings potential on HeavenGamers.com while enjoying a variety of engaging activities. Start implementing these tips today and watch your earnings grow. Step 7. Withdraw your earnings. To access your earnings, select the Cash Out option. From there, you can opt for various withdrawal methods including PayPal, Payeer, Litecoin, Visa cards, bank transfers, gaming skins, or Amazon gift cards. HeavenGamers.com offers a straightforward path to earning money online through various activities. Starting with signing up and setting up your account, you can swiftly move on to watching YouTube videos, earning from ads, and even installing apps for additional income. Don't forget the bonus tips. Focus on play-to-earn games, complete surveys, and use referrals to maximize your earnings. When you're ready to cash out, simply choose from multiple withdrawal options such as PayPal, bank transfers, or gift cards. Start earning today and explore the opportunities Heaven Gamers has to offer. Now, it's time for you to join in the conversation. We love to hear your valuable insights. Here's your question. Do you think that Heaven Gamers is your way to turn your spare time into extra income? Are you intrigued and interested to try it out? Drop your comments in the comments section below. Explore the versatile opportunities waiting for you on HeavenGamers.com with Profitability Plus. Watching videos, trying out new apps, or completing surveys are various activities to a pathway to earnings that suits you. Don't miss out. Begin your journey to financial growth. And hey, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to keep you updated. Start Honey Gamers now.